Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix logging in on Spotify. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you head to Spotify, you will then see that you cannot log in. However, if you can somehow, or at least on a different account, you can first go to settings, scroll down to storage and click clear cache. It'll free up some storage use within Spotify and maybe make the app run a little bit smoother. Another thing you can do is hop out of Spotify, go to the App Store and search for Spotify. You're going to see if Spotify needs some kind of update. So I'll go ahead and search this. As you can see, it does not need an update. However, the symbol for it would be the one with Apple Music because Apple Music needs an update right now. Finally, the last thing you can do to try to fix this problem is go to Settings, scroll down to General, click on iPhone Storage, and you want to wait for everything to load. Once everything is done loading, you want to scroll down to Spotify. As you can see, you can then offload the app. All this will do is free up storage used by the app to keep its documents and data safe, so you don't got to worry about any of your data disappearing. So once you're done offloading the app, you want to reinstall the app and then clear it like this. You then want to open up Spotify and see whether or not you can start logging into Spotify. You could also maybe have the wrong email or password. You might want to check and make sure that you have the correct information as well. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year. I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.